Tutashangilia Voi, and released his first album, Rekereria Wedo Remix. In 1988, he released the song Paris Induko, which was recorded by Wamaito Production, which made him to be very popular. DiMaggio recorded and released more than 375 songs in 50 albums. The first being in 1986, Jennifer, and the last two being in 2018, Wedo Umaga Koraya, and 2019, Arume Twenau. His most favorite songs were Pain Number na Moyo Tikefade. He was a stout fighter of musicians, right, especially against music piracy. His Excellency Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta advised the musicians to come together and unite for that purpose and general welfare of the musicians and artists. DiMaggio, following this advice, together with the Vice Chairman Efa Maina, Peter Kegia, Shiroa GP, Ben Githae, Lois Kim, Betty Bayo, Michael Wabedi, Wamutingoe, and others formed Tamko Sako, popularly known as Talented Musicians and Composers Sako, on 19th January 2019. Through his leadership, the Sako, within 7 months, had bought land at Keno Murang'a County, worth Kenya shillings 10 million. Before his passing, DiMaggio had organized for a meeting with Equity to plan for developing of the said property. Because of his love for people and musicians, DiMaggio vied to be a member of parliament for Gatanga constituency in 2007. He has also been promoting peace, cohesion at Laikipia, Embu counties, Laikipia and Embu counties, and had planned similar program in Nyandarua County in September 2019 through his DiMaggio Foundation. Awards. He has won several awards during his career. In the year 2000, Sawyer Awards, Runners-Up Album for the Year, Music Composer Association. 2001, Top Kenyan Singer, Sawyer Crown, Best Song of the Year, Uradhiwa Ma, and the Album of the Year. In 2018, he was awarded the Head of State Commendation by Our Excellency. Demise on 18th August 2019 at around 10 p.m. DiMaggio was involved in a tragic road accident along Thika Road near Blue Post on his way home from a medical harambe of his singer friend Peter Kegia, popularly known as Waesta, and was rushed to Thika Nursing Home for treatment, where he was pronounced dead on arrival. He died at an age of 52 years. He has left behind his wives, Sarafina Wairimu John, Caroline Waithera John, and 7 children. Those who love don't ever die. They live forever in God's hands and our hearts. Rest in peace, John DiMaggio. Thank you.
Asante sana. Let's appreciate our brother. Tumpige makofi kidogo. We appreciate him for leading so well. He's well schooled.